What's up everybody, Corey from My Two Cents, and we are going to do a quick installation and overview of this glass protector, this glass slim protector for the Nokia Lumia 950 XL. This is the EnGive brand, and it's got all the same hallmarks you'd see on all the other glass screen protectors out there. No fingerprints, 9H hardness, rounded edges, all that junk. So let's pop it open and see what it comes with. We get wet and dry wipes. We also have some dust removers. We have a not a microfiber cloth, just some sort of a cloth. We also have our piece of glass here, and you can see that it looks like it'll fit just fine. It's got all the right cutouts on it. Let's slide this back in here. And what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and do the installation of this on the 950 XL, and you can see kind of how it goes and what it looks like. So basically the steps are we're going to use the wet wipe, then we're going to use the dry wipe, then we're going to use the dust stickers to help pull the dust off the phone, then we'll go ahead and put the glass on the phone and get started on the rest of the installation. So we'll start off with the wet wipe here real fast. And really this is meant to pull off any big pieces of gunk you have on your phone, all those food particles, all that nasty crap. So we'll just go ahead and scrub it. And then we can take our dry wipe and use this as the polishing wipe for the phone. Try to get any streaking off that might be there at all. Make sure you get those edges nice and good. You want it to get a nice solid seal on there. Then you can use the supplied dust cloth and help you out a little bit more if the dry wipe doesn't help. This gives you a little bit more surface area so you don't get any fingerprints on it. So it's nice and shiny and there is not a speck of dust on this thing. Let's go ahead and take a dust sticker, and you can use this to help pull the dust off your screen. If you're working in an extremely dusty environment or have any hair, we'll actually hold on to that for a second. What we'll do is we'll get it prepped right before we do the screen. So let's take the screen out of its cover. You can take a look at it here. Looks like all the cutouts are in the right places. Now we can take our little dust sticker and just kind of work our way around. Try not to put your finger on top of it. You don't want to mess up your nice shiny polish you just put on it, but any dust particles that might still be there from the wipe or something like that, this will help pull those up. Now we can go ahead and take the backing off of the piece of glass that we have and go ahead and get it lined up and lay it down flat. Now, it has a microphone down here at the bottom of the phone, which actually makes it pretty easy to line up. So we're going to take it, line it up just like so. Looks like we're good on the earpiece speaker. Then you can make sure the microphone at the bottom is lined up right in the center of that hole, and that'll give you a pretty easy kind of lay down of the device. Now, sorry my hair's in the way, or lack thereof. So you can see it starts to suck to the device instantly. And you can kind of work it out around the edges. And that's not a good sign. Normally you want it to suck down just completely, especially when you put your finger on it and kind of work it around. Try to work our way up the device. Sometimes it can just be a little tricky to get it to stick down. We'll see if that's part of what this glass is about, but I mean, this is a flat phone. There should be no haloing on this thing. There's no rounded edges around the sides, kind of like the Nexus 6P. Most pieces of glass should just fit down and not have a problem. You're not going to have this, hopefully, the same kind of halo effects you have on most other devices out there. So that looks like it's clearing up a little bit. Oh, look at that. That just popped right back. Try to scrub it a little bit. Now, let down. This does not get any better. I kept this on here for a full week, and the glue never actually adhered in the corners, so I'm going to have to give this a do not buy. Anyways, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.